Hello student, you are safe at home. Class 10th Health and Physical Education. Chapter 3rd Psychology and Sports. Part 2nd Development Characteristics at different stages of development. Various changes from conception to death take place in the physical and psychological capacities of the child. The helpless baby of today, who would be adult of tomorrow, has to come across various stages in the progressive development. This also involves the development of physical, intellectual, social, and characteristics of personality. There are certain periods in the process of development where certain characteristics, features of behavior stand out more prominently than other periods of life. They are termed as a stage. The behavior of infant is different from that of adolescents. It is therefore that proper and understanding of individuals we may divide there into various stages. Number one, infancy. 0 to 5 years is infancy stage. The stage from birth to the end of 5 years of age is called infancy. The basic foundation of physical, mental, and personality development are laid in this stage. It is period of rapid growth and size and weight. The average length of a newborn baby is 19 inches but varies from 17 to 21 inches. The average weight of newborn baby is 7 pounds. By the time the child is about 2 years of age, his weight becomes about 25 pounds. The bones as and muscles of the child begin to develop. The brain grows rapidly. The glands begin to function properly at this stage. The grasping power infant becomes stronger. His power of memory gets sharpened. Sharpened. He is able to remember the incidents of the past immediately. His thinking ability increases. His understand the language, the incident language clearly and speak accordingly. The infant usually exhibit his emotions through motor skills activities. At this stage, the behavior of infant depends. They like to listen, as watch the stories of active fairies very much at this stage. Infants learn the activities related to motor skills like walking, running, jogging, catching, throwing, etc. They start using their physical organs in terms organs and sensory organs is better way. Second, childhood. The childhood stays from 6 years and ends the year of 12. This is a period of uneven growth of bones and muscles and organs that can result in physical appearance plays life for them at this stage. Their neuromuscular coordination becomes enough efficient. The concentration power of the children increases. Their thinking ability increases fastly. The emotional, they become stable and optimistic. They also learn to control over the behavior. During this stage, social qualities develop and then quickly they become able to adjust their behavior in a society to their appropriate development of social qualities. At this stage, child are more uh, courageous, imaginative, resourceful, and adventurous. They like to initiate the deeds, actions of their famous heroes about whom they hear, read, and watch. Adolescence refers to period of development and adjustment. During transitional period, that is initiate childhood and adulthood. This period emerges from childhood and emerges to adulthood. During this period, the pranks of childhood goes away, insipid and the insipid and revolutionary process of changes starts. In fact, in this period of revolutionary change, the term adolescence comes from the word adolescence, which means to grow or to maturity. According to Jersen, adolescence is the span of years during which boys and girls move from childhood to adulthood mentally, emotionally, socially, and physically. It is supposed that the adolescent stage begins from 15 years, remains till 19 years. It is also called teenagers. Following are the characteristics of ages, physical characteristics. At this stage, many physical changes take place spontaneously. Many physical changes take place in the boys and girls. With the onset of the stage in girls, menstrual cycle begins, and in boys, night emissions begins. Here, stars appearing in axilla public region. The enlargement breast begins in girls. The face of boys, mustache and beard starting appearing the face of boys. At this stage, boys have broad chest, broad shoulders, and normal buttocks, whereas girls have less broad shoulders and chest. The hips of girls become very broad and legs become round. The second, mental characteristics. The adolescents become interested in view and reading thrilling novels and stories, imaginative stories and cartoons and fictions. They become curious to know more about public places and principles. They demand self respect, dignity, and self independence. They have high aspiration and they indulge in making the castless of dream in the air. They also indulge in the daydreaming. Sometimes they become aggressive. At this stage, they need a proper guidance and directions. Next, emotional characteristics. The adolescence is full emotions. Out of emotions, he is performs such uphill tasks which seem to be impossible to the starting. Sometimes the adolescents become so longer that they feel themselves at the top of the world and disappointments. Sexually, they become active at this stage. They are unable to have a proper control over their emotions such as sex, anger, love, greed, hatred, and jealousy. They do not bear. Their disrespect and disgrace. They do not like even the suggestions and guidance given by someone. Next topic, social characteristics. Sometimes the adolescents adopt the ways which are not acceptable to society and creates obstructions in their ways. In these conditions, the adolescents to revolt against the traditions and customs of society. Sometimes various social evils is spread during to this. Owing to attraction in boys and girls, they are at the service of other intimated friends. They try to present themselves better than other. Also have to keen desire to find the able life partner. They have interest in recreational activities like dancing, music, mountain hiking, etc. Next, motor characteristics. There is improvement in motor coordinations and coordinative abilities in boys in comparison to girls. Who participates persistently in sports are likely to have a continuous motor development. Maximum strength and explosive strength develop rapidly in boys. Strength develop rapidly in boys, whereas strength ability improve uh, improve very less in girls. The boys who perform exercise regularly have a good flexibility. If they do not perform exercises regularly, they have less flexibility. Adolescents' problems, their management adolescent period is a period of uncertain beginning and ending that cannot be dated exactly. According to Churchill, adolescence is the to period through which a growing person makes transition from childhood to maturity. According to Stanley Hall, adolescence is the period of great stress, strain, storm, and strife. According to Sadler, adolescence is the period in which a child tries to become capable of doing everything by himself. At adolescence stage, child wants to become self-dependent. During this period, many physical, physiological, mental, and social changes take place. There is increase in weight, height, bones, and muscles and strength. Problems of adolescence, as described earlier, period of adolescence is most critical period of individual's life. Some of problems occurring during adolescence are mentioned below. Number one, biological problems, beginning of rapid unbalanced growth in height, weight, and physique. The adolescents feel embraced in the grow in which he moves. Second, problems due to mental competition. Because of mental competitions, uh, uh, because of mental development, the adolescence becomes critical and fault finder. Fault finder, he wants to broaden in mental horizon by knowing everything he comes across. The mentally superior adolescent faces the problem of adjustment. Emotional disturbance in the adolescence are due to rapidly changing physical structure, abnormal functioning of the nervous system. The adolescent process extreme emotions. His emotional moods vary vary from elations to depressions. Next, problem of home adjustment. And adolescent sometimes cannot adjust himself to the conditions of home. His home adjustment problems arise due to the fact that his needs increase. Next, desire for independence. And achieving independence from home and family ties is one of the major problems faced by adolescents. 6. Aggressive behavior. Mostly an adolescent displays aggressive behavior, especially when he is compelled to do an activity which is against his desire or leaking. Next, social status. Every adolescent desires significant social status. He is very much conscious his self-respect. He wants his social recognition. He wants to social recognitions. If their position and prestige is hard, it can be a great problem. Next, drug abuse. It is found to be more common among teenagers. Many drugs are physically harmful if they are taken regularly, but if a single overdose of some drugs, such as heroin, is taken, it can result in death. The addiction or getting habitual or hazardous drugs is largely confined to period of adolescence. Juvenile 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 delinquency, या इसको आप ये कह सकते हो जुवे डेलिक्वेंसी. जुवे डेलिक्वेंसी क्या है? The adolescents many indulge in offers like mischief, theft, stealing, driving away cars, etc. It is also found that some boys often form gangs. This so-called heroic attitude of them can be a problem, major problem. Projections or adolescents always try to prove themselves by pointing out similar faults in others. Such poor attitude can land them in a problem. Next point, identity arises. Identity arises. Quest for identity is another major problem faced by the adolescents. He sought for his own identity as an individual, whereas in many situations he is not considered by his parents and peers. Overexposure to popular media like TV network, etc., further confounds his problems. Next, at this delicate stage, one needs proper guidance, counseling, check, and proper channelization of energy. The following suggestions are useful. Number one, proper knowledge of adolescence psychology. Parents, teachers, guardians, and guides must be aware of adolescence psychology and must understand the behavior changes at this stage. They must be saved from falling prey to mental tensions, worries, and other stresses. Parents, teachers, guardians, and friends must have good coordinations so that they are able to solve the problems of adolescence. If there is any, and they should try to solve the problem at the earliest in the best possible way. Second, providing healthy atmosphere for growth and development. The atmosphere at home and the school should be cheerful, playful, and healthy so that complete growth and development could take place towards maturity. Proper facilities and opportunities should be provided to meet the developing demands of teenagers. There must be safe and healthy environment for proper growth and development. Proper sex education. At this stage, sex glands undergo prominent changes. Repeat it, proper sex education. At this stage, sex glands undergo prominent changes. The adolescents must be aware of these changes in a proper and friendly way by the parents and teachers. They must be properly guided to tackle these sex problems and their doubt must be cleared regarding sexual development and other by changes. Otherwise, there can arise misunderstanding in the mind of the child about the sex. Next, correction and checking of mistakes. At this stage, the teenagers must be given some liberty to take independent decisions. This will add to the self confidence in case the decisions are not correct. They must be corrected and guided in proper way. Their fault, mistakes, and errors must be politely and sympathetically dealt with instead of punishing them, blaming, giving punishment. Next point, proper use of leisure. Teenagers have a lot of extra surplus energy and need good programs to channelize it in a fruitful way. Participation in physical activities such as sports, games, adventures, courses, and exploring activities are good to channelize their energies. These activities satisfy instinct of play, curiosity, aggression, competition, zeal, adventure course, and expression. This also gives an outfit to the hidden talent. Next point, mode of education. Adolescents must be properly guided by teachers and parents. Education must be provided to them in an interesting way so that they may explore their inner capabilities. Proper teaching methods should be adopted to make education interesting and enjoyable. Sufficient opportunities must be provided towards vocational education. Educational must be related to future profession. Parents and teachers must to check educational progress of their children time to time so that they could be guided if they are at fault anywhere. If they are doing well, they should be encouraged. Next, moral values development. At this age, sometimes children lose their moral character. This is depends upon the parents, teachers, and guardians to develop good moral values among the children and check their immoral acts. They must be properly taught about their culture, tradition, customs, and to follow them. Social circles should be made confined to good, sincere friends. Next point, spiritual guidance. At this stage, usually children shows less interest in spiritual celebrations or functions. They should be guided properly about the religions and secular thoughts. They should be made active towards religious activities. The destructive ideas in mind can be controlled through religious thoughts. Next, friendly attitude. At this stage, adolescents accept the friendly attitudes from their family members and their other relations. So, parents and teachers should act more as friends. Ratification state disciplined and rigid persons. Moreover, this friendly attitude will bring them closer to each other and better understanding will be developed instead of gap among them. Next point, independent ideas and liberty with proper checkup. Children can be given little freedom making some decisions of their own. With that, more confidence will be developed among the children and they will try to be self-dependent. They can also have independent thinking which can be followed with some liberty under proper check. Means adolescents एडोलसेंस में जो ये क्या है एडोलसेंस, तो चाइल्डहुड से एडल्टहुड के बीच जो जाने का समय होता है वो एडोलसेंस उसको स्टेज बोलते हैं। इन्फेंसिव एज जो होता है वो 0 से 5 इयर्स का होता है। चाइल्डहुड की जो एज होती है वो 12 ईयर से लेकर के और 6 ईयर से लेकर के 12 ईयर्स तक की होती है। और जो एडोलसेंस का जो एज होता है वो एडोलसेंस का जो एज होता है वो एज है आपकी after 12th year. This age is maybe 19 years. 12, 13 to 19 years is adolescence years or teenagers. अब एडोलेसेंस के बारे में जर्सिल्ड ने कहा है, एडोलेसेंस इज दैट स्पैन ईयर्स ड्यूरिंग विच बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स मूव फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड टू एडल्टहुड मेंटली, इमोशनली, सोशली एंड फिजिकली। मीन्स क्या है, चाइल्डहुड जो आपका जो एडोलेसेंस जो ईयर होता है 13 टू 19 ईयर्स का, वो बहुत क्रिटिकल होता है, क्योंकि इसमें जो होता है वो ना बच्चे रहते हैं और ना बड़े रहते हैं। मतलब बचपना से लेके मीन्स वो ग्रोइंग एज में रहते हैं, और ग्रोइंग एज ऐसा एज है जिसको टीनेजर भी बोला जाता है। उसमें एनर्जी बहुत होती है बच्चों के पास, अनेक तरह की आइडियोलॉजी डेवलप होती है, अनेक तरह की थिंकिंग डेवलप होती है, वो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट सर्च करते हैं, वो रिजिडनेस उनमें आती है, और लीडरशिप की क्वालिटी उस समय डेवलप होती है, अट्रैक्शंस डेवलप होते हैं, सेक्सुअल चेंजेस होते हैं, जिसको जो इस एज में बच्चे जो होते हैं वो बहुत एनर्जेटिक होते हैं, डिसीजन मेकर होते हैं। तो ऐसे समय में रियल में एक पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स या गार्जियन का जो मॉरल ड्यूटी है, ये बच्चे को कोऑर्डिनेट करना। कोऑर्डिनेशन ही एक ऐसा इस एज का सलूशन है कि वो ओपन तरीके से, फ्रेंड के तरीके से उनके साथ बिहेवियर करें। उनको बच्चे का इस एज में बच्चा क्यूरियस होता है, स्पेशली सेक्स के बारे में वो जानना चाहता है, उसके अट्रैक्शन होते हैं, सेक्स के का अट्रैक्शन होता है, मीन्स अपोजिट सेक्स के अकॉर्डिंग अट्रैक्शन होता है। और जर्सिल्ड ने जो कहा है कि एडोलेसेंस एक ऐसा स्पैन ईयर्स है, हवाओं का साल है, ड्यूरिंग विच बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स मूव टू चाइल्डहुड एंड टू एडल्ट। चाइल्डहुड से लेके एडल्टहुड के एज में जाते हैं, जिसमें मेंटली, इमोशनली, सोशली और फिजिकली सारी तरह से उनका डेवलपमेंट चेंजेज होता है। फिजिकल चेंजेज होता है, मेंटल चेंजेज होता है, इमोशनल चेंजेज होता है, सोशल चेंजेज होता है, सारी तरीकों का चेंजेज होता है। तो इन चेंजेज के समय इनके पास और एनर्जीज मैक्सिमम पावर में डेवलपमेंट होती है। तो इस समय इन बच्चों को फ्रेंडली टैकल करने की आवश्यकता है, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को सुनने की जरूरत होती है। उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत हो सकती हैं, बायोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, प्रॉब्लम ड्यू टू मेंटल कंपटीशन उस अकॉर्डिंग प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, इमोशनल डिस्टर्बेंस के अकॉर्डिंग प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है। ऐसा भी होता है कभी कभी बच्चे अपने घर में ही नहीं एडजस्ट कर पाते हैं, क्योंकि उनके पास वो सोचते हैं कि स्वतंत्र होना चाहते हैं, डिजायर टू इंडिपेंडेंस, उनका बिहेवियर एग्रेसिव हो जाता है, जिससे क्या होता है बहुत तरीके का प्रॉब्लम आता है। तो इन प्रॉब्लम से, अच्छा वो सबकी लाइफ में एक बार आता है, टीनेजर सब होते हैं। तो यदि मेरा ये मानना है, यदि टीनेजर सब होते हैं, सब उस वे से होकर गुजरते हैं, उस प्रोसेस से होकर गुजरते हैं, तो वो चाहे पेरेंट्स हों, चाहे टीचर्स हों, चाहे गाइडर्स हों, कोई भी हो, सब उस एज से होकर गुजरे हैं। तो उसके अनुभव के आधार पे जो भी पॉइंट दिया हुआ है, इनके पॉइंट के अंतर्गत बच्चों के साथ बिहेव किया जाए। क्योंकि जो सोशल स्टेटस उनका चेंज होता है। कभी कभी ये होता है बच्चे गलत संगत में पड़ के ड्रग अब्यूज वाले हो जाते हैं, मीन्स हेरोइंस, केमिकल मेडिसिन्स का वो यूज करने लगते हैं, जो कि बहुत हार्मफुल होता है स्वास्थ्य। तो ऐसा बच्चे कब करते हैं या ऐसा कब होता है? जब उनको ये लगता है कि उनको कहीं नहीं सुना जा रहा है। तो सबसे पहले सुना जाए, इस एज के बच्चों को सुना जाए, उनको समझा जाए, उसके अकॉर्डिंग उनके अकॉर्डिंग बिहेव किया जाए, उनके अकॉर्डिंग समझाया जाए, उनके अकॉर्डिंग उनको उनके अकॉर्डिंग अपने एक्सपीरियंस का एग्जाम्पल दिया जाए, प्रॉब्लम क्लियर हो जाए। दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।